Somebody's out here. Come here, buddy. Come here. What are you doing on the deck? Come here. Come on. Get over here. Can't tell who it is. He just went running into the wood pile. Come here, dude. Come on, Chip Chip. Hey. Is that Boomer? Is that you? Come here, Boomer. Come here, Boomer. Come on, Chip Chip. Boomer. Come here, dude. I think it's Boomer. Where Hero and Bella went. Come on, Chippy Chippy. Come here. Come on. Come on, Boomer. Come here, buddy. Come here. Oh, he's eating fly or insect of some sort. You know, chipmunks are omnivores. They will eat just about anything. They hate mice. They will kill and eat mice every chance they get. At the very least, they drive them out of their territory if they can't kill them. Same with rats. A small chipmunk will take on a rat in a heartbeat. They're much faster. And they got a stronger bite. Come here, buddy. Come on. Come on, buddy. Oh, somebody else is showing up, man. Come here. Come on. Now we got a standoff. Come on, Chip Chip. Chippy Chippy. I have days like this. Sit there staring at each other, trying to decide who's going to go first. Come on, Boomer. Come on. Yep, I knew that was you. Ah, come here. That one came running over, scared him off. Come on, Boomer. Come on, Chip Chip. Got halfway up my leg. Come on, Chip Chip. Come here. Now that one's disappeared. Come on, Chip Chip. Well, for the sake of not making this video 10 minutes long, I guess I'll go to Boomer. I don't see the other one. You can hear a lot of geese. It's that time of year. Come on, Chippy. Come on, Boomer. Come here, buddy. Come here. Come on, get up here. Come on. Get up here. How come you wouldn't come to me? You're not afraid of other chipmunks. There's enough to carry 4. Can you carry 4? Yes, you can. Very good. All right, Boomer. Okay, Chip Chip. All right, Boomer.